Hey guys, welcome to TechiesGuruTutorial. Today we'll be learning how to link Dropbox account to Picsart, and now let's dive right in. Now to link your Dropbox account to your Picsart account, first open up your Picsart app on your phone, and after opening your Picsart app guys, on this interface, which is the home interface of Picsart, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see your person icon or a profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on the person icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you land on this interface where at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three dotted icon available for us. Tap on the three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the settings button over here just above the logout button. Tap on settings and you land over here guys where you can see the social accounts button available for us. Tap on the social accounts button under the category connected accounts. Tap on it. And after that guys, over here on this box you can see the logo of Facebook, Instagram and Dropbox. Tap on the Dropbox over here or the logo of the Dropbox account and you'll be redirected to a login panel of Dropbox through your Picsart account. Over here you can see you can continue with your Google or your Apple account over here, or just enter the email address of your Dropbox account. And after that, tap on the continue button, and on the next step you will be required to enter the password of your Dropbox account. And the moment you log into your Dropbox account from this panel, your Picsart account and your Dropbox account will be linked together. And with that being said guys, this is how to link Dropbox and Picsart account on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.